Dear Roma. Dear fans of Roma history, dear lovers of Roma culture, dear fans of the Romani language, good day. Here is a short video that informs you about my YouTube videos. On my YouTube channel, Selahetin Kruezi, you have more than 200 videos made about Roma in general. Among other things, you have the following video. 1. We learn the Romani language in 10 days. 10 videos with translations in 38 languages. 2. We speak Romani in 12 languages. 3. Roma dictionary in 6 languages. 6 videos, every language can be in the first place. 4. About Roma history and culture, which has 12 videos, with translations in 38 languages. 5. Let's learn the Romani language for children. ABC book and mathematics 2 video. 6. Poems in Romani with drawings. 2 videos. 7. Children's story in Romani with drawings. 2 videos. 8. True origin of Roma. Everything you are interested in about Roma origins. 6 videos. 9. Standard Romani grammar. 12 videos. And many other things related to Roma. Subscribe to it for free. Share the video in your social networks so that more people can use this valuable knowledge. With respect, a big kiss to you all.